In this video, I'm going to dive into what is Magnet ecosystem and how an average leader can leverage on the opportunity in Magnet and make thousands of dollars for themselves. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, this is the Blessed Man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and then turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop an update about Magnet ecosystem and every other thing I discuss on my channel, you will not miss out. So let's dive in. What is Magnet ecosystem? Magnet is a blockchain platform with effective tools for building your own profitable business. Magnet has a lot of products and tools that will enable you to be able to build your businesses and make money for yourself independently. Magnet is transparent, it's running on smart contracts, and it is fully decentralized. Magnet was founded by a man called Ilya Ladoni, and Ilya Ladoni is a seasoned entrepreneur, a man that has built offline businesses and then online businesses. He has floated platforms before like Argos that did very, very well and very successful. Okay, and today he has built Magnet for over 3.5 years, and Magnet is just at the peak of the launch. Okay, so today I want to dive into what you should know about this great ecosystem. So Magnet is a business that covers a whole lot of niches, varieties of niches. There's a whole lot of products and a whole lot of programs that can make you money in Magnet. One great thing about Magnet is that it covers different niches. If you're interested in crypto, you're interested in NFT, you're interested in traffic generation, you're interested in mini tax job, you're interested in gamification, academy and so on. All of these products you can get in the ecosystem. Some of the products of Magnet include cryptocurrency arbitrage that will enable you to take advantage of the crypto market, the pricing differences in the crypto market for you to make money for yourself. There are copy trading that will enable you to be able to take advantage of professionals and make the same money they are making. You have betting on crypto rates that will enable you to be able to predict the prices of crypto and then make money from your predictions. We have Magnet Index that will enable you to be able to buy one index that covers different cryptocurrencies and thereby diversify your portfolio. We have Magnet Launchpad, Magnet Launch Pro, Magnet Lending. All of these are Magnet Finance products that support the token of Magnet ecosystem and the entire product in the ecosystem. Okay, Magnet also has a decentralized exchange, that will not just function like a centralized exchange, it will be able to function like SEX. You can be able to do your margin trading, spot trading, and so on and so forth. So Magnet also has staking and farming futures in the ecosystem. And then we talk about the token of Magnet. The token of Magnet is a very powerful token that will make a lot of people, because it is backed up with over 30 digital products and more products that will be coming in Magnet ecosystem. And then every single transaction in the ecosystem is supporting this token, with 5% contribution, meaning that every single transaction will give 5% to a smart contract address where this money will be used for the development of the token. The 50% of this money is going for buyback and burning, and then 50% will go for liquidity. So when you find a token where the liquidity is increasing, and then there is a burning mechanism that reduces the quantity, and then the community is increasing and there are utilities for that particular token, it is going to be a very powerful one. Also, there are staking and farming of this same product, this same token, that even enable people to earn commissions down to their fourth generations. So this is a very valuable asset that you cannot joke with in the ecosystem. The Magnet has the lottery aspect of Magnet. There are different types of lotteries. We have lottery passive, we have bingo, win to win, classic, and so on and so forth. Magnet even have lottery builder that will enable you to be able to build your own lottery platforms, that will enable you to be able to determine your own sale of tickets, commissions, and so on and so forth. Then Magnet has a very powerful product called CryptoDo. CryptoDo.app is a product that has been in the market already. CryptoDo is a software that will enable you to build your own decentralized applications and then build your own smart contract business. With it, over 300,000 smart contract businesses have been built, and it's there online. You can go and Google CryptoDo.app. CryptoDo.app. It has won award in different hackathons done by Polygon, Chainlink, and then Phantom, and then also Tron. You can be able to find all of this information on the public domain. And today, crypto do is part of the product of the ecosystem that we're going to be having access as a member of Magnet ecosystem. Okay, now on the academic side of Magnet, there is a whole lot of features we have there for the newbies. There's what we call Learn to Earn. That particular Learn to Earn is a product that will enable you to just learn crypto, learn MLM, learn personal development, learn smart contract, learn blockchain, and so on, and then answer questions and be able to get rewards in the internal tokens of Magnet that are very, very valuable for you. Okay, so and then also if you're a professional, if you're a seasoned person, you can monetize your knowledge in the Academy of Magnet by putting up your own courses inside the ecosystem and then be able to sell it. Magnet will give you the platform to run your courses and then make money from it, or you can create courses that you can even give to people for free of charge in order to build your team. All right, so Magnet also has on the gaming aspect, there are different types of game. We have Learn to Earn, we have Play to Earn, and so many types of game, crypto magnets, and so on and so forth. These are for people that love gaming and people who are interested in gaming. Then if you're interested in NFT, everything about Magnet is actually in NFT format. The product you're buying, everything is formatted in NFT. And then there's an NFT marketplace that will enable you to trade on NFTs and take advantage of it and make money for yourself. On the traffic generation side of Magnet, we have different types of traffic generation tools. The smart link that enables you to be able to customize your referral link and send traffic to anybody in your team, irrespective of the depth of the generation that that person can find itself. You can actually send traffic to that person using the smart link. There is a VIP account that enables you to be able to occupy the number one ID of Magnet, and every registration that is coming to Magnet without a sponsor will go under you as a direct partner, right? And then we have what we call the Telegram passer and the WhatsApp passer that enables you to get the contact of the groups where you belong and then be able to send them message with just a click of a button. We have Post Recruiter that enables you to follow up leads from your funnel and then market Magnet. Then we have Twitter Builder. We have Crypto Magnet. Right now, people are using it in order to get airdrop of the main token of Magnet. Just use it and build your team, do some activities on it, and then you will have the Magnet token with you just for free. That particular powerful token I talked about, you can actually get it for free using the crypto magnet that is running on Telegram. All right, so we have some other products that are meant for people who are just looking for mini tax jobs to do. We have something like labor exchange market where people just go and tap on other people's NFTs and make real dollar for themselves. All right, so that is it, guys. How do I make money from Magnet? That's step two. How do I make money from Magnet? There are four different ways you can make money. The first one is to use the product of Magnet. For example, you can use cryptocurrency arbitrage. You can go and use Learn to Earn. You can go and use the Lottery Builder. You can go and use Crypto Do and make money for yourself. That is it. And number two way to make money in Magnet is actually the referral income or the referral commissions that is coming with the use of the product. So if you start building your team, everybody in your team up to your fourth generation that is using the product of Magnet, you are earning commission for what they're doing. For example, if I refer somebody that just does taking and farming and earns $100, I'm going to be earning a percentage from this $100 that this person have just made. Okay, so that is the second way to make money Magnet. The third way to make money Magnet is the passive income that the system is going to be paying in form of dividend. It is called dividend from global turnover, whereby you become a co-owner of the business. You will be able to earn money. You're able to earn money from Magnet on a monthly basis. Just build your team, generate SMGT, use it to buy post token, and then upgrade your NFT status, and then you stand a chance of start getting paid every single month, every 30 days from the global turnover of Magnet ecosystem. So that's an awesome way to earn money, guys. That is the three ways I've mentioned. And then the third way is they're actually using the two main frontline products of Magnet, which is Apex Era and then the Sandbox. That is the way to make money. And I'm going to dwell on it for the next 2 minutes to explain to you how you can make powerful money from this system. So we have four ways. One, to use the product. Second, the affiliate commission by using the product. We have the passive income from Magnet global dividend from global turnover, and then the commissions you are going to earn for promoting Sandbox and Apex Era. So what are these commissions you are going to earn from Apex Era and Sandbox? Now, when you want to join Magnet, as soon as you register, you are expected to buy NFT stocks. We have slot 1 to 12 starting from $5, $10, $20, $40 up to level 12. So when you buy any of these NFT stocks, maybe you are buying slot 1 to 6, or you are buying slot 1 to 12, or you are buying slot 1 to 3, whatever thing that you can be able to afford, you are given access to two products. You're given access to two products of Magnet, and these are the two frontline products of Magnet. It is the Apex Era and then the Sample. These are powerful tools that will be able to make you money. So let me explain to you how to make money from the Apex Era. Apex Era is a trinary matrix that recycles after every third person joins that matrix. And it's a very powerful matrix that is built for the leaders, people who can invite a lot of persons. And then if you're inviting a lot of people, you are going to be earning big money from Apex Era. In Apex Era, every single invite that you do, any single person that you refer to Apex Era can be able to pay you up to 85% in DAI and then 15% in SMGT, meaning that you are earning 100% of what is coming into Apex Era. So if I invite Mr. A that invested $100 in Apex Era, I'll be earning $85 in DAI, and then I'll be earning $15 worth of SMGT. That is the way it is. So even if you have 1 million persons, unlimited persons that are joining through your link, you are going to be earning this. So what we have in Apex Era is that you actually determine the type of money you want to make, whether you want to make this money in DAI or whether you want to make it in SMGT. You set your income the way you want it, 50-50 or 80-20, or you want to set it 70-30 or thereabout. So you use the boost coin in order to set your earnings up to 85% in DAI and then 15% in SMGT. Okay, so we're going to be explaining the concept of the boost coins and the SMGT in subsequent videos in this channel. All right, so you see, what it means is that you have a matrix that is recycled. So what it means is that if you keep on inviting, you keep on earning money, and then the people you invited who are your direct downlines, as they are reactivating, they're also filling your own matrix the way it is. Okay, so when you look at it, you see how many cycles that you have cycled, and then you keep on like that for unlimited times. That is the Apex Era for you, and it's a very powerful tool that will earn you big money. Now, the second product you have access to is the Sandbox. The Sandbox is another unique type of matrix, binary matrix for different levels of referral commissions. And then you are going to be earning two types of income here. One is partnership commission or partnership bonus, and then referral bonus. Now, let me explain the first one, which is the concept of the partnership bonus. Now, when you start inviting persons, every single person that you invite will be giving you 5% partnership bonus, okay, from is level 1 to level 12 for whatever level that you are putting for yourself. And then if they start inviting people up to their third generation, you're going to be earning the same 5%. So if I invite Mr. A, I'll earn 5%. Mr. A invites Mr. B, I'll earn 5% from Mr. B. B will invite C, I will earn 5% from C, and then C will invite D, I will earn 5% from D. So it means I'm earning a partnership bonus down my fourth generation. It doesn't matter how many they are. Imagine me having 10 direct people that have 10 direct. So in my second generation, I have 100 persons who are paying me this $5 from the 1 to 12, and then this 100 persons invite another 10 persons. That's 1,000 persons in my third generation that will pay me the same 5% from the 1 to 12, and then if 1,000 persons invite another 10 persons, that's 10,000 persons in my fourth generation. All of them are going to pay me this partnership bonus. Imagine how huge this is going to be. So that is the first money you're going to earn from Sandbox. The second money is what we call referral bonus. And then in this referral bonus, we have three different types of binary matrix. We have a binary matrix of 5 generations, binary matrix of 4 generations, and the binary matrix of 3 generations. So the first one, that is 5 generations, is 62%. And this is where you're going to be getting spillover, whether you are the one who invited the person. So whether it is you that invited or your upline that invited or your downline, as long as you cover your 2 legs, The remaining people you are inviting will be entering into your structure to fill up the people down you. The same thing, if somebody down you is filling his leg, then you are also filling your own structure. It's a very powerful system where you are going to be getting global spillover from magnet ecosystem. So what it means is that you are going to be earning different types of referral bonus from these three types of binary matrix. So the first one, which is 5th generation, is 62 persons are going to be paying you 16% from whatever they do in magnet from their first level or first slot to 12 slot. It depends on the number of slots that you have bought yourself. So you get 16% from 62 persons. And then the second matrix, which is the 4th generation matrix, is 30 persons that will be paying you 20% bonus, referral bonus from what they are doing. Okay. And then the third matrix, which is just 3th generation matrix, is 14 persons are going to be paying you 26%, guys. So you see what it means? You earn 30%, sorry, and 16% from 62 persons, 20% from 30 persons, and then 26% from 14 persons. And then you can now invest the money again, and then that matrix will continue to open. In fact, there is a mechanism whereby you can open multiple of these three types of matrices, because once the first matrix of 5 lines has 9 people in that matrix, a reinvestment button will be open for you to repurchase that particular slot again, and then that matrix will be open for you again, right? Then the one that is 4th generation, once 7 persons enter that matrix, you can actually reactivate and have a new matrix open for you. The one of 3 generations, once you have 5 persons, you can actually be able to reinvest and then have these 3 matrices open. You have 3 open here, you have another 3 open for you, and you can open as many matrices as possible. And this happens in slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, up to slot 12, guys. So it's a very powerful earning system that we have in magnet, and that's why I said any serious leader can make thousands of dollars, even millions, with this type of system that we have. So it's a beautiful thing for us to earn from this big ecosystem, and there's a whole lot of features in magnet. Magnet has what we call overtaking and return. If you buy somebody and the person activates a slot above you, the person will overtake you. But once you activate above that person, the person will be returned back to your system. That's the way it works. There are different types of security features that magnet have. We have what we call multi-signatures that enable you to add as many backup wallets into your account, so that even if you lose your main account, you can actually log into another wallet and then another wallet address, and then be able to change your main wallet address and continue business, guys. Right, so that is it, guys. Magnet is a very powerful ecosystem, and then if you are very, very serious as a leader, you start building your team powerfully, you are going to make a whole lot of money in magnet. So all you need to do right now, you need MetaMask, or you need a token pocket or trust wallet for you to be able to start making money in magnet. You just register with a new wallet. You need DAI, that is DAI, you need Polygon for gas fee, and then probably you need a USDT of Polygon for you to be able to get dollar from maybe an exchange and so on and so forth. So what do? Go and make sure that somebody that gave you this video, you collect the link from that person and then do your registration. Check out this channel. You're going to see a playlist on magnet where you can find how to register in magnet, you can find how to form the wallet, you can find all manner of videos there, okay? But if you don't have a sponsor, make sure you check out the description of this video and then you click on the link right there in order to register magnet and start making money for yourself. One more time, this is the Blessed Man, and then I welcome you to my channel one more time. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. I will see you in my next video. God bless you.